Your brain wasn't built for infinite dopamine, but your phone is. Every swipe feels harmless, but inside your skull, something much bigger is happening, something you never agreed to. Your phone is not a tool. It's a neural hijacking device, engineered by some of the smartest minds on Earth to manipulate the deepest reward circuits in your brain. Every swipe, every scroll, every notification. They're not accidents, they're precision-designed dopamine triggers. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens inside your brain when you scroll for 3 hours straight. Not metaphorically, biologically, minute by minute. Let's start the clock. You open your phone, your thumb swipes, your brain lights up. A tiny burst of dopamine hits your reward system. Not enough to satisfy you, just enough to keep you scrolling. This is the dopamine drip. Your brain enters reward-seeking mode, novelty, surprise, unpredictability, stimulation. Your phone gives you all four instantly. Your striatum, the part of your brain responsible for habit formation, begins to activate. It's learning a new pattern. Swipe right arrow reward. Swipe right arrow reward. Swipe right arrow reward. Your brain is hooked, but not yet damaged. But something subtle is happening. Your brain is shifting from intentional behavior to automatic behavior. You're no longer choosing to scroll, you're reacting. Now your brain enters the same psychological loop used in casinos. It's called variable reward conditioning. Sometimes you see something funny, sometimes shocking, sometimes boring. Your brain doesn't know what's coming next, and that unpredictability is addictive. Your dopamine system becomes hyper-focused on the next swipe. You're not scrolling because you enjoy it. You're scrolling because your brain is chasing the possibility of enjoyment. Your orbitofrontal cortex, the part that evaluates rewards, becomes overstimulated. It starts firing rapidly, trying to predict the next hit. This is the moment your phone stops being entertainment and becomes behavioral conditioning. Your brain is being trained and it doesn't realize it. Now the real rewiring begins. Your dopamine receptors start to downregulate, meaning they weaken. They become less sensitive. You need more stimulation to feel the same reward. So you scroll faster, you switch apps, you chase novelty. Your prefrontal cortex, the part that controls discipline, begins to lose control. Your brain is being trained like a lab rat. Swipe right arrow dopamine. Swipe right arrow dopamine. Swipe right arrow dopamine. This is the addiction loop. Your brain is slipping. Your anterior cingulate cortex, responsible for impulse control, becomes less active. You're losing the ability to stop, even if you want to. Now your brain enters the danger zone. Your prefrontal cortex weakens. Your amygdala, the emotional center, becomes more reactive. Your hippocampus, the memory center, becomes overloaded. You feel distracted, unfocused, restless, overstimulated. Your attention span collapses. You can't watch a full video. You can't finish a task. You can't stay present. Your brain is being rewired for short bursts of stimulation, not deep focus. This is why long videos feel boring, why reading feels impossible, why silence feels uncomfortable. Your brain is losing the ability to be still. Your default mode network, the system responsible for creativity and deep thought, becomes disrupted. You lose the ability to think deeply. Now your dopamine baseline begins to drop. This is called dopamine depletion, the same state seen in addiction. Your motivation plummets, your mood dips, your energy collapses. You feel bored, empty, restless, tired, but you keep scrolling because your brain is trying to escape the crash. Your reward system is exhausted. Your stress hormones rise. Your emotional stability weakens. Your hypothalamus begins releasing cortisol, the stress hormone. Your body enters a mild fight-or-flight state. Your brain is no longer seeking reward. It's seeking escape. Now your hippocampus begins to malfunction. This is the part of your brain responsible for forming memories, but scrolling floods it with too much information, too fast, with no structure. Your brain can't store it, so it stops trying. This is why you forget what you just watched. You forget why you opened your phone. You forget what you were supposed to do today. Your brain is drowning in stimulation. Your working memory collapses. Your ability to plan collapses. Your ability to prioritize collapses. And the more you scroll, the less you remember. Now your brain begins to break. Your dopamine receptors are fatigued. Your reward system is unstable. Your emotional circuits are overloaded. You feel anxious, overstimulated, undermotivated, mentally drained. Your brain enters dopamine deficit, the same state seen in substance addiction. Your prefrontal cortex, your discipline, your focus, your decision-making is barely functioning. Your amygdala, your fear and emotional center is in control. Your brain is no longer balanced. It's hijacked. Your neural pathways begin to change. Your brain is being rewired for distraction permanently. Scrolling doesn't just steal your time, it steals your brain chemistry. It weakens dopamine receptors, destroys attention span, hijacks reward circuits, increases anxiety, lowers motivation, overloads memory, rewires your brain for distraction. Your brain wasn't built for infinite dopamine, but your phone was built to give it to you. You can let your phone control your brain, or you can take it back. Because every swipe changes you. Every scroll rewires you. Every minute shapes the brain you'll use tomorrow. The question isn't, is scrolling bad? The question is, how much of your brain are you willing to give away? If this hit you, subscribe. Your brain will thank you later.